In 2025, the digital world offers a wide range of opportunities for people to earn money, whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build a full-time income. Earning $500 a day may seem like a lofty goal, but with the right strategies, it's not only possible but achievable for many. Whether you're interested in freelancing, investing, or building your own business, there are various paths to success. In this video, we'll explore 7 ways to earn $500 per day in 2025. Number 1. Freelance writing and content creation. Freelance writing and content creation have become some of the most lucrative and accessible ways to earn money, especially with the growing demand for online content. In 2025, businesses, bloggers, content marketers, and e-commerce platforms are always looking for quality written material to drive engagement and sales. The beauty of freelance writing is that it offers flexibility, and anyone with good writing skills can tap into this lucrative market. To get started, it's essential to build a portfolio of sample articles or blog posts in different niches. Whether you choose to write about health, tech, finance, or lifestyle, having a well-rounded portfolio allows you to attract a broader audience. You can use platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, or even create your own blog to showcase your work. Once you've created some content, the next step is to sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or even specialized writing websites, such as ProBlogger or Contenta. These platforms connect you with clients who are in need of quality content, from blog posts and articles to product descriptions and web copy. As you gain experience and refine your skills, you can begin to raise your rates. Freelancers can easily make $50 per article or even $100 per blog post for more in-depth researched work. If you focus on high-demand niches like SEO writing, copywriting for websites, or technical writing, you can increase your rates significantly. A seasoned freelance writer can easily earn upwards of $500 per day, especially if they build long-term relationships with clients, work on multiple projects simultaneously, or specialize in high-ticket services such as white papers, case studies, or content strategy. Another way to grow your income as a content creator is by scaling your efforts. Once you've built a solid reputation, you can expand your offerings by starting your own content agency, where you hire other writers to take on some of the projects. You could also create online courses or coaching services to teach other aspiring writers how to succeed in the freelance world, adding an additional income stream to your business. By focusing on high-quality content and efficient time management, freelance writing can become a sustainable and highly profitable career choice that brings in $500 a day or more. Number 2. Affiliate marketing and online advertising. Affiliate marketing continues to be one of the most popular and profitable ways to earn money online. In 2025, the affiliate marketing industry is thriving due to the increasing number of online stores and e-commerce businesses. In affiliate marketing, individuals or businesses promote third-party products and earn a commission on sales generated through their referral links. The advantage of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income while promoting products or services you are passionate about or have expertise in. Getting started with affiliate marketing requires building an online presence, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profile that aligns with the products you're promoting. One of the first steps to earning with affiliate marketing is choosing a niche that has a large audience and demand for products. Popular niches include tech gadgets, personal finance, health and fitness, beauty, home improvement, and travel. Once you have identified your niche, you can join affiliate programs offered by companies such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank, or Rakuten. Many affiliate programs allow you to promote physical products or digital services, and they offer varying commission rates depending on the value of the sale. For instance, promoting high-ticket items like luxury gadgets or online courses can yield a larger commission per sale. As an affiliate marketer, you will need to focus on creating high-quality content that informs and engages your audience. Writing in-depth product reviews, creating tutorials, or producing video content showcasing the product can build trust with your audience and increase your chances of making sales. Once you've established your content, the next step is to drive traffic to your affiliate links through SEO, social media marketing, email newsletters, or paid ads. The more traffic you drive to your content, the higher your chances of earning commission. With a solid strategy in place and the right marketing channels, earning $500 a day in affiliate commissions is absolutely achievable. Number 3. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Dropshipping remains one of the most popular e-commerce business models due to its low startup cost and scalability. In 2025, it's easier than ever to launch a dropshipping business, thanks to the variety of platforms available, such as Shopify, Oberlo, and BigCommerce, that make the process streamlined. In dropshipping, you sell products to customers without having to hold any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order on your website, the order is forwarded to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. The key to success in dropshipping is selecting the right products, finding reliable suppliers, and marketing your online store effectively. To start a successful dropshipping business, you need to choose a niche with high demand and low competition. It's important to find products that people are actively searching for and are likely to purchase. Popular dropshipping niches in 2025 include tech gadgets, fitness products, beauty tools, and home decor. After selecting your niche, you'll need to find suppliers through platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, or Oberlo. Once you've partnered with reliable suppliers, you can set up your online store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or another e-commerce platform. Next, you'll need to market your store and drive traffic to your website. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are powerful tools for promoting products. Running paid ads, collaborating with influencers, and leveraging organic content can help you generate sales quickly. As your business grows, you can expand by increasing the number of products you sell, optimizing your website for better conversions, or scaling your advertising efforts. While it can take time to perfect your sales process, dropshipping can easily become a lucrative business model that generates $500 or more per day once you've optimized your marketing strategy. Number 4. Stock and crypto trading. The financial markets offer significant opportunities for making money, and in 2025, stock and crypto trading continue to be viable ways to generate substantial income. Stock trading involves buying and selling shares of companies on the stock market, while crypto trading deals with digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Both markets are volatile, meaning there's potential for high returns, but also risks. For those who can read market trends, understand technical analysis, and manage their risks, trading can be a profitable endeavor. To get started with stock or crypto trading, it's important to first educate yourself about how the markets work. There are numerous online courses, blogs, books, and YouTube channels that teach everything from the basics of trading to advanced strategies. Once you've gained the necessary knowledge, choose a trading platform like Robinhood, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade for stocks, or Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken for cryptocurrencies. For beginners, it's advisable to start with a small investment and practice trading with a demo account to get a feel for the market. The successful traders typically use strategies such as day trading, swing trading, or trend following to capitalize on short-term price movements. By analyzing charts, identifying patterns, and using technical indicators, traders can make informed decisions on when to buy and sell assets. One of the keys to being successful in trading is risk management, ensuring that you don't lose more money than you're willing to risk on each trade. While it's possible to earn $500 a day or more through successful trades, it's essential to be disciplined and avoid emotional trading decisions. Number 5. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants, VAs, provide administrative support to individuals and businesses, handling tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, social media management, and customer service. As more businesses shift to remote work, the demand for VAs has skyrocketed, and this trend is expected to continue into 2025. The best part about being a VA is that you don't need a specific background or degree. What matters most is your ability to be organized, efficient, and professional. To get started as a virtual assistant, it's crucial to assess your skills and figure out what type of tasks you can offer. If you're good at managing emails, scheduling meetings, or handling social media accounts, these are great skills to showcase. After identifying your niche, sign up for freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or specialized VA websites like Belay or Time, etc. As a beginner, you can start with general administrative tasks and gradually specialize in high-demand areas like social media management, content creation, or customer support. As you gain more experience and build a client base, you can increase your rates and even build a VA agency where you hire other assistants, offering specialized services such as handling customer service or email marketing can allow you to charge higher fees. Many VAs charge $20 to $50 per hour, and by working with multiple clients, you can easily achieve the $500 per day goal. Number 6. Online coaching or consulting. Online coaching or consulting is another fantastic way to earn $500 per day in 2025, especially if you have expertise in a specific area such as business, fitness, personal development, or financial planning. People are increasingly turning to coaches and consultants for personalized guidance to help them improve their lives or businesses. The global coaching industry is booming, and there's a growing demand for professionals who can offer actionable advice, accountability, and strategies to reach their goals. To get started as an online coach or consultant, it's important to define your niche. Whether you focus on helping people with career development, financial planning, fitness, or mental wellness, narrowing down your area of expertise helps you stand out in a crowded market. You can offer one-on-one coaching sessions, group programs, or even online courses. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi allow you to create and sell your own coaching or course material. Marketing is key to attracting clients, and you can use social media, email newsletters, webinars, and paid advertising to get the word out. If you're able to deliver high value and build a strong reputation, your coaching or consulting business can scale quickly. Coaches typically charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per session, depending on their experience and niche. By offering personalized services and high-quality content, online coaching can become a highly profitable way to earn $500 per day. Number 7. Real estate investment and rentals. Real estate investment is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth and generate income. In 2025, real estate continues to be a lucrative opportunity, especially with the growing demand for rental properties and the boom in short-term rentals like Airbnb. Real estate investment allows you to earn money through rental income, property appreciation, and capital gains. To start earning from real estate, it's essential to conduct thorough research. Whether you choose to invest in long-term rental properties or short-term vacation rentals, you need to find areas with high demand and rental yields. Short-term rentals in particular have become a popular way to generate higher income, especially in tourist destinations or large cities. Platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo make it easy to list properties and attract tenants. If you don't have the capital to purchase property, you can also invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or use platforms like Fundrise, which allow you to invest in real estate with lower capital. Real estate investment has the potential to generate $500 or more per day in rental income, especially if you own multiple properties or rent out high-demand spaces. While it requires an initial investment, real estate can be a solid long-term income stream that continues to generate money well into the future. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.